PayPal account creation is one of the most confusing and time-taking process in the field of payment gateways. So if you guys are worried about PayPal account creation, then I am here to make it easy for you. So without wasting any time, let me tell you the requirements of creating a PayPal account. You need a email and a phone number to create a PayPal account. Our email is ready. Let me see if the number is ready as well. Here you can see guys, our UK phone number is also ready. If you want to get a UK phone number, then you can watch my recent video I have uploaded on YouTube that how you can get a UK phone number. So here I am searching paypal.com. Now follow the steps like I am doing. We will create a personal account because personal account creation is way more easier than business account. Here we will select our region to United Kingdom because we have a number of United Kingdom. Here we are not getting our OTP by SMS, so we will click on call us. They will call us and tell us that what is our OTP. So let me use the option of call. Here I got my OTP, let me put it. Here we have to create a password, so I will hide it. Here you don't need to worry guys, we will use a random address, so I will search here. Here just scroll down and click on not now. As you can see guys, our account is ready to use. We will just confirm the email and then we will put money in it and we can use it. So I will go to settings and I will let you show that there is email which is unverified. We will click on it and we will verify it. Here I can show you the notification. There are no limitations on this account, as many people are getting the issue of limited account. So there are no limitations because this is 100% legal method. Here it's asking to confirm my email, so I will click on confirm my email. Let's go to our email and let's put 6 digits OTP here. Okay, we will click on confirm my email address here. We will put our password and we will click on login. Now it will ask for verifications of phone number, so we will just verify it with our phone number. I will try to get a text, as we are not getting text in our app, so I will use WhatsApp text option because I have created a WhatsApp account on this number as well. Here you can see friends, our account is totally verified. Now we can use it to accept payments and send payments on any PayPal account from any country or any location. Now get subscribed to this channel because this type of content is only available on one channel named CTech, owned by me. Okay, my name is Barry Allen and you can just subscribe to this channel. It will take some time to show that my mail is verified. As you can see, my number is added here and I can use this account. Next video is going to be on the crucial topic, which is how to create a Cash App account. So if you are interested in that, then you can save my channel by subscribing.